Kotoko can do better without said or say. Say Abrante so oma let him go. Bedenka misusu say Abrante viso ma Kotoko company funya Abrante na chidi na yem focus on other matters because Kotoko a lot of things to do. Yeah, day in, day out, day and night. Say it was a center stage. Say it was a ba Kotoko. Say it was a can assign. Say it was no I say. Yeah, all the social media platform no so. Say it was a center stage. Honum. So a brand new fee say be a on mark Kotoko. And that's be your own share camp from Santo Kotoko. Let him go. We have a whole lot of players to me are performing better as well. Like said was says Oba, fine or a good player. It is a Oba a baswa masuswa. Let him go, praise the Lord. Oba praise the Lord, I also praise the Lord. Why must we channel all our focus towards said was say Sabantina ma Kotoko emu. So what I say, and now I'm at Kotoko so affable. Eddie Oboko, I'm a player biswa sabas in case of bar. Nti se nei so ma sa na betima nya player bi so abɛhyɛ nanan mu ɛya de bia Kotoko ka ketekete na nko wɔ sane ka ketekete na nko wɔ yesei what I say Sabante ne ma Kotoko let him go na yɛm focus na yɛm build a team Nyankopɔn ma 17th July ya in Accra House of Folk Democracy Cup ɛyɛ o si team hyia Accra Sports Stadium na yɛtimi ɛwene that cup no na yenya si yedi a focus bibia set was say na yetwa pia so what I say a good player all right so ma ebia the metie ne say omezo Kotoko former players ni bia omne coach Ogum eye adwuma no ebi na abo Abrante na ason say ma Abrante no mo ma Kotoko na coach no emu players pedemeti say no credit dey pedemeti no enti say office bia na mfefo bi aka asema chena for coach na wa Sante Kotoko no na say omoma ne nko that's a simple and teacher in short enye yi bia ni aya di yama set say adi ba bia afa no so what I say enti me who the reason went here as a Kotoko oko other social media set was say wasane onsane wa ibi che say obaji sika pudu bi adi wo Kotoko amezo Kotoko company fu bi ene ne ko yi say o maami o say ne fada o mo ko na yi wa yi o mo fly so what I say bia mo ye ne me mana say bia wa so wo ma mo ma ne nko early 2000 no players ni bibli ba sa e ba Kotoko sa be ye ne ma bia but o ma motumi o mo ko ye enti enya set was na be the first player why bibisa de Kotoko and so let him go wherever you want to go and name focus and build your team because your players Kotoko can do better without set was say so what I say anti emanonko na yem to aso me dem susue na ma dwen kire ya me kire no ha yes me dem aso mati which me follow which me so like which me so share na wabo na it me go this channel me diane Nana Poku Makramo